Welcome to my channel. In this video, we talk about organic chemistry. We focus on nomenclature of hydrocarbons. Ever wonder how chemists name different organic compounds? So, we are on an exciting chemistry lesson. Today, we are going deep into the world of hydrocarbons and learning how to name alkanes, alkenes, and alkynes. So get ready to simplify complex names and make organic chemistry a breeze. Understanding what are hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons are organic compounds made up of only carbon and hydrogen. They are classified into three main types based on their bonding patterns. Here, number 1, alkanes. They contain only single bond between the carbon atoms. Alkenes. They contain at least one double bond between the carbon atoms. And alkynes. They contain at least one triple bond between the carbon atoms. Alkanes are called saturated hydrocarbons, but alkenes and alkynes are called unsaturated hydrocarbons. Now we are on the nomenclature of alkanes. Alkanes follow the general formula, that is CnH2n plus 2. The names are based on the number of carbon atoms and end with ane. Let's look at some examples. For example, methane, here this formula CH4, one carbon atom which is bonded to 4 hydrogen atoms by single covalent bonds. Another hydrocarbon which is ethane, the structure formula is C2H6. They contain 2 carbon atoms bonded by single bond. And number 3 is propane. Here 3 carbon atoms are bonded to each other by single bonds. Now look at the table. Here are given molecular formula of different compounds of alkanes and their names, and at the right hand side their structure formula are given. You can see that the first compound is methane and it has structure formula CH4. Here carbon atom is bonded to 4 hydrogen atom via single bonds. The second compound, which is C2H6, it is named as ethane and it contains 2 carbon atoms bonded to each other by single bond, and there are 4 hydrogen atoms. There are 6 hydrogen atoms. Each 3 hydrogen atoms are bonded to 1 carbon atom and 3 hydrogen atoms are bonded to the second carbon atoms. And the third compound is propane. Here the structure formula is C3H8. Here the carbon atoms are bonded to each other by a single bond, and all the 8 hydrogen atoms are bonded to carbon atoms. To fulfill the valency of carbon atoms, carbon have a valency of 4. And now the naming rules for alkanes. Number 1, identify the longest continuous chain of the carbon atoms. Number 2, number the carbon atoms from the end nearest to a branch. And number 3, name and arrange substituent alphabetically. For example, look at the hexane. Here C6H14 is the molecular formula of this compound. You can see that 6 carbon atoms are arranged by single bond, and each carbon atoms is bonded by hydrogen atoms to fulfill the valency of 4.